Welcome to the tour of our Makersplayce. Before we head inside, shortly, what is our Makersplayce? Our Makersplayce is an environment where students can come together to work on STEAM. That's science, technology, engineering, arts and mathematics. Together with the MIC, the Make Impact Consortium, universities around the world collaborate to make this possible. So, without further ado, let's start the tour.
Hello, welcome to the general area of the Makersplayce. I will be showing you around some of the things that can be done here. Let's get right to it. First of all, this is the desk where you can sign up. Being subscribed to the Makersplayce doesn't cost anything. It's just for you to use tools however you want. Anyway, let's get started. So this area is designed to be a place to design and work on things. You can pull out a role and start working, collaborating as a team. We've also got some inspirational ideas and tests for 3D printing so that students can see what is possible, what can be done, and yeah, what they could possibly move on to. On the other side over here, we have an area where we have a big whiteboard and a couch area to sit basically. This is so people can once again collaborate and work on ideas and bring them to life. And this is Baxter, our robot. Amongst all the things, we also have sewing machines for people to use for their own personal projects if they have it necessary. Now I will go over to the electrical area. Here we have a power supply, function generator and oscilloscope, as well as soldering irons for all your electrical needs. We also have a whole set of small pieces, so from resistors to connectors, as well as wiring. Everything under around 50 cents can be basically taken and used by students. Now we will move on to the laboratory where we have 3D printers and other things.
Welcome to the Makersplayce workshop. This is where the students can take their ideas and to turn them into actual parts. Like you see here, he's using power tools. We have this entire selection for the students to use. And all these different hand tools that they can use to shape their parts with. We also have machines in the machine room, like our vacuum former, to make intricate shapes that have to be very lightweight. These are the 3D printers. We have 4 smaller ones and 2 larger ones. These can be used by the students to create their 3D models. This is the 5-axis pocket CNC. These can also be used by all the students. This machine is able to mill plastics on 5 different axes at the simultaneously. This is for students that are more beyond the prototyping stage and actually want to make a strong part. Now we are going to the bigger workshop.
Hi, welcome. This is a technical atelier. Here we have a few workbenches. Let's go over to a couple of the machines we have. All right, here we have a drill press with a cross table, so you can move your part in the X and Y direction without unclamping it. Over here we have 2 classic CNC mills. In the other workshop we have 4 newer CNCs. Then we move over here to a laser cutter that is designed for wood and plastic. You can also engrave metals on here. And if you really want to cut metal, we have over here a metal laser cutter that can actually cut thicker material. And to my left, we have 2 conventional lathes. All right, last but not least, we have our woodworking area where we have a miter saw, we have belt sanders, and to my left, we have a vertical panel saw, so we can cut sheets of plywood.
Well, that concludes our tour. Thank you for joining us, and we hope to see you inside our Makersplayce soon.